Okay, welcome to another episode, another video, amazing video with me. I would like to say something that I saw in Bulawayo City, in Bulawayo Town, under Matebeni Province, Matebeni Region, in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. Okay, I was there in January 2025, and connecting to February 2025, I was there doing my work in this other business company, in this other business corporation that is based in Harare, Zimbabwe. So I went out to Bulawayo to do my work, to do my business operations as a staff member, as a worker in this company from Harare, Zimbabwe. Then I was staying at a lodge or hotel in the main street, Bulawayo CBD main street at Prime Harris. If you know Prime Harris Hotel, Prime Harris Lodge, this is where I was staying with my other team members or group members doing my work, doing my business operations in Bulawayo. So every day I would go along the main street, walking, enjoy myself, looking around, observing around, checking everything because it was my first time to be in Bulawayo. It was my first trip to go to Bulawayo. So I was very much excited deep down in my heart, in my soul, in my body. I'm like, what? Okay. So this Bulawayo town, this Bulawayo city, okay, let me enjoy this city. So I was going to Spa most of the time, like almost every day, or even 2 times per day. I was going to Spa to do my buying, my shopping, to feed myself, or if I need some things, some toiletries or some other things to feed myself. So I'd go to Spa supermarket at the one by Main Street, uh, Joshua something Main Street in Bulawayo CBD. But then one thing surprised me when I'd go to Spa. This one strange thing, this one weird thing. I would take my things in a basket, or sometimes I would use my hands. Then come on the till to pay. Then most of the times, I'm talking to these till operators, these girls or maybe these guys on the till for me to pay. I'm trying to pay. Then they tell me, there's no change. There's no change. There's no change. It was a song every day. There's no change. There's no change. There's no change. In this shop, Spa supermarket, if you know it, if you remember it, in the main street in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, a Spa supermarket, I was not happy, or I used not to be happy. Every time when I would go there, I would know that these guys are going to embarrass me. They're going to disgrace me. They're going to, uh, in fact, or we're going to exchange words with these people, these till operators, till guys, the girls or the guys on the till. There's no change. There's no change. There's no change. And I've never seen that kind of thing happening in a big shop like Spa, or I'd never seen such a thing happening in a big shop like Spa. If you stay in Bulawayo, if you live in Bulawayo, you're a Ndebele person or you're a foreigner or you're whatever tribe in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, please, I want to ask you politely and kindly, what happens with this shop, Spa supermarket, especially in regard to change, in respect to the issue of change, the problem of change? Why is it a big problem every day, every time, if not every hour? When I was there in January and February this year, every time, there's no change, there's no change. I would get stressed, I would get worried, I would get frustrated every time when I was buying. I'm like, what kind of thing is this? It was a song, it was a chorus every time. There's no change, there's no change. And I'm looking, I'm looking at the size of the shop. I'm looking at the size and the amount of the things or the quantities of the things in that shop. It's a very big shop, a huge shop, a massive shop. You understand? And I was not expecting a thing of this nature, a thing of this sort to happen. To say, we don't have change. We don't have change. Okay, I understand if we don't have change, maybe one day or 2 days, or maybe just for a short time. Not to tell me that we don't have change in this shop. So when you're buying, you have to make a plan yourself. When you're buying, you have to improvise. You have to manage that situation yourself. When you're buying as a customer, when you're buying as a client to the shop, I have to make a plan. So this is what they are telling me. I have to improvise a solution. I was not happy. I was not excited with this. Every time when I was shopping there, I was not happy. Sometimes I would not enjoy my shopping experience at Spar supermarket. Please, what happened with this shop? What is the problem? Of course, I know in Zimbabwe, currently speaking, change is a problem. But the way it happens at Spar supermarket in Bulawayo CBD on that main street shop is way over the board. It's way too much. It's on another level. What is really the problem? What is really the problem? Please talk to me, people in Bulawayo, people in Matabele region who cross or who move past or who pass their way through that shop, Spar supermarket on the main street in Bulawayo City. What happens with the issue of change? Change, 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 change. They're always lamenting every day. They're always crying every day. They're always complaining every day. Are they not supposed to make a plan since they're running that shop? Maybe the management or the administration or even the owner of that shop, maybe a white guy or something. Are they not supposed to make a plan for the sake of the customers, for the sake of the clients, for the sake of the buyers who are coming to patronize their business, who are coming to patronize their goods and services which they're offering as a business, as a busy company within the retail sector? Are they not supposed to do something about that? I'm asking you, my viewer, subscriber, you, the visitor on my channel, the one who's watching right now, listening to me right now. Don't you think so? Do you stay in Bulawayo? Do you live in Bulawayo? Do you, can you familiarize with what I'm saying? Can you acquaint yourself with what I'm saying? Was this your same experience when you're shopping at Spar supermarket in Bulawayo? Was this your same experience? Can you familiarize with what I'm saying? Can you recall or remember what I'm saying? When you're shopping at Spar supermarket in Bulawayo on the main street, was this also your experience? To me, it was happening every day. Sometimes I'll get bored, like I said. Sometimes I'll get stressed. Sometimes I'll get flabbergasted. I'll get worried, get frustrated every time when I was buying. You understand? So please, if you're in Bulawayo, if you stay in Bulawayo, if you live in Bulawayo, talk to me. What is the problem? How can it be solved? How can it be resolved? This issue of change, especially at Spar, because it's on another level. This problem is on, it's way over the board at Spar on another level. It's just too much, according to what I think, according to what I perceive. How can it be resolved? Please, let's share our experiences buying, shopping at Spar supermarket in Bulawayo City on the main street. Joshua something something main street, Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. Let's talk about this in the comment section. Drop a comment, write, type your comment in the comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.